Snow, one of nature's greatest mysteries. Everyone loves snow, from children sledding and making snow angels, to adults struggling to get out the door in the morning, only realizing they have to dig out the car and shovel the entire driveway. But how is snow made? And what does it mean? Well, to answer that, we've contacted Frank Crowe and his team of nature experts to look into it. Why does snow fall? Well, to answer that question, when thick clouds break, small, thick pieces of cloud fall to the ground as what we like to call thick rain, or in other words, snow, or in scientific terms, thick rain. Now, if you look closely, you'll notice that when snow hits the ground, it does not bounce. Why is this?
Consider this. All things that bounce have a bounce property, which form on many curved surfaces. For example, a ball, which is made up entirely of curved surfaces, exhibits 8 bounce particles, making it one of the most bouncy objects in the known universe. However, snow has no curved surfaces, making it incredibly unbouncy, as we call in science terms, meaning it doesn't bounce. However, snow doesn't only fall vertically, it also exhibits horizontal vectors.
We know that snow falls from the clouds, but what puts it there to begin with? Well, we're not really sure. Some climate change deniers believe in a process called condensation, but there's no scientific proof to back that up. Experts on the matter believe it's called snow placement. Now, we're not really sure what snow's true intentions are, but in an effort to learn more about the snow, I've attempted to blend in with it so that it learns and accepts me as an equal. I'll now demonstrate.
Snow is a natural phenomenon, and there's not much else to it. But you see, my theory is not that snow is natural to this planet. Yeah, it's been proven. There's evidence of water and cold and snow, but the first snow? No. The first snow came from aliens. It was their attempt to infiltrate our planet and humanity, study us for the future invasion. Nobody agrees with this, but if you look closely, all evidence points to yes. See, because snow is a language. It's an alien language. You've never seen a human being have a conversation with snow, have you? Snow looks like nothing else we've ever seen here on Earth. No animal, no computer, or a piece of fruit. My final theory, the clouds that you see in the sky are spaceships from space.
Everything you're saying is completely wrong. I did not even know that was an option. Snow is just rain that freezes before it hits the ground. Everything you need to know is on this tape.
Snow is one of America's greatest natural mysteries, and it's unlike anything we've ever seen before, making it truly unique to this great country. For the American Nature Board, I'm Frank Crowe. Thanks for watching. Alright, that's a wrap. Cutting there. God, going around. Honestly, couldn't care less about snow. I do this purely for the money. You have no idea.
I've heard it's white. Is it white?
It's the most boring color. White. Like, why would it
be white?
I'm going.
It's
I don't
it's horrible.
Sweet.
Yeah. See ya.